Hi guys and teacher. According to the first word about for this course teaching English for different purposes. For this test three, I need to do a little video where I talk about myself and my um my answer. Okay, give me one moment. This is a front page of my work. Well, give me one moment here. Well. My name is Andrea Victor Hernandez. I'm 22 years old. I live in Cúcuta Norte, Santander. My phone number is 300-7944-1775. I am sixth semester. My email address is teacherandres3s@gmail.com. My expectations are, according to the course, I want to know how I can teach English better to my students, which purpose that they can express themselves in English. What is the role as a teacher in class and how I can transmit my knowledge to them, and how I can teach to my students. I have the mind open for different cultures, thought, and social class. Okay. Task 2, answer some question about according to the worksheet is according to the course description. What is the expectation for the course and what can you do to help you meet them? Sorry. Well, I think it's preparing our as a teacher in different areas. Okay, where we're going to work and be more open mind for a kid new thought, a way of learning. It's like we need to prepare our student for being a people can integrate in this world. That this world, I think, is very connected, and we need to share our thought, our culture, that we can identify our culture from the rest of the world. Well, second, according to the course content, how do you think the course will help you to improve your teaching competence? Well, I think that the new series that we're going to see the will improve our competition in English area is our career as a teacher. I also think that the teaching mechanism will help me a lot in how I can better my teaching in different way or learn than my student have. Okay? This is very simple. According to the course content, what there are 5 topics do you like more and why? Breathe this kind the one to define more interesting. Well, according to the course, I think the most important topic is what is EFP, because if you know what is you can understand which are the achievements that you have a student of the course need to get for teaching course. Okay. According to the course content, how does ESP relative to your language learning spirit? According to the content, ESP is an approach to language teaching which aims to meet the needs of particular learners, where teachers need to design and prepare course for various growth learning and grade to need of your student. Okay, do you need to know this course 1-2 is that you as a teacher create your material for each student, because we need to be more inclusive, because I think not all our students have the similar English level. Okay. And finally, have you been enrolled in the ESP course in the past? If you so, what do you like or don't like about it? Yeah, where I work in now, I am I work in Canadian company. We are teaching English for school, university, company of Cucuta, etc. And now I am working as a teacher in Jose Peralta School. But before they start, they gave me ECP and how our class need to be for our student can better in English level. Where this is our best teacher in the course, teaching of the race, teaching how can do when I teaching English in for children, for young, for adults, etc. In this picture, we can see my class when she need to dance in some music in English for improve you hear, you listening, whatever. Well, teacher, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Karine. I hope that you can understand everything I say. God bless you. Bye bye.